Memorial Day 2020, the Murph Challenge. Hi, this is Mr. Shaw, and as a way to celebrate this upcoming Memorial Day, I'm going to present a fitness challenge, the Murph, and some links to guide your investigation into the history of Memorial Day, some of the many traditions associated with the holiday, and present you with some of the activities that you can do to celebrate this holiday. Hope all of you are doing well. Please remember your social distancing, good hand washing. Try to learn something new every day. We want to encourage you to be a lifelong learner. I've attached some links for you to view in the description related to Memorial Day 2020. The final link being a virtual tour of the White House. The first link is to pbs.org, and it has kind of the history of Memorial Day and a bunch of other nice resources related to the holiday. I have a link to the real life story behind Lone Survivor, Marcus Luttrell and the Murph. And I also have a link to the Murph Challenge, which is a 1 mile run, 100 pull-ups, 200 push-ups, 300 squats, a mile run, all in a 20-pound weighted vest. I'd like you to attempt this as a way to honor Lieutenant Michael Murphy, who was a Navy SEAL who was killed in Afghanistan. I also have links to a information about Lieutenant Michael Murphy and some examples of people doing and tips for doing the Murph Challenge. And finally, a White House virtual tour. And the last thing is, let us know if you took on the Murph Challenge, if you learned something new about Memorial Day, started any new traditions, learned about family in the military, or virtually toured the White House in the comments on the VLA Facebook page. Take care. Talk to you soon.